Atomic weight. This is a topic from the subject of chemistry and physics also. You need to study the same thing, but mostly this topic is discussed in the subject field of chemistry. Topic is atomic weight. So, what is atomic weight? Atomic weight, first of all, you should keep in your mind that it is a relative weight. It is not absolute weight. Okay, and it is only a number. You need not to express this in terms of Newton or kg. Okay, so it is only a number. It doesn't have any dimension. It doesn't have any unit. So if I use one example, then it will be easier to understand for you. Say for example, chlorine. You know that chlorine, this is a chemical element, and there are two types of isotopes, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. What is the meaning of this number 35 and 37? When we are writing chlorine 35, here the number 35 denotes the atomic number. Okay, atomic number is the, I was wrong. 35 denotes mass number, not the atomic number. Okay, here 35 means it is the summation of number of protons and the number of neutrons. In that type of isotope of chlorine, means chlorine 35. So in case of chlorine 35, number of protons is 17 and number of neutrons is equal to 35 minus 17, which is equal to 18. Okay, so here the number 35 denotes the mass number, and the number 17, it denotes atomic number. Okay, similarly there is one more, there is one isotope of chlorine, and that is denoted as chlorine 37. So there number of protons will remain same, because according to the definition of isotope, number of protons will remain same, but number of neutrons will vary. That is the definition of isotope. So for chlorine 37, what is the number of protons? It is same as that of chlorine 35, that is 17. So what is the number of neutrons? It is equal to 37 minus 17, which is equal to 20. But if you do your research or experiment, then you can see that in the nature, the abundance of chlorine 35 and chlorine 37 are not same. They are different. And the results, your experimental result says that the abundance of chlorine 35 found in nature is 75.77%. 75.77%. This is the abundance of chlorine 35 found in nature, and remaining 100 minus 75.77, which is equal to 24.23%. Everything you can see on the screen. Okay, 24.23%. That is the abundance of chlorine 37 found in nature. Question is, what is atomic weight? And that atomic weight is calculated using this percentage. Okay, percentage of availability in the nature of those isotopes. Means actually atomic weight is nothing but the weighted average of the element found in nature. Weighted average. Okay, atomic weight is calculated with respect to, means relative to the mass of carbon-12 atom, which is taken to be exactly 12 atomic mass units. 12 atomic mass units. This is for carbon-12. So atomic weight of any element is calculated with respect to this carbon 12 atom. That means if atomic weight of chlorine is 35.5, what is the meaning of that? That means if you take a real weight or real mass of chlorine atom, mass, I am talking about mass, that means say it is in kg or gram. So if you take one element, one atom, only one atom of chlorine, and if you take only one atom of carbon 12, okay, and if you take the ratio of these two masses, then that will be exactly 35.5. And since this is the ratio of two masses, or this is the ratio of two weights, weights means if you need to express in that case in terms of Newton for SI unit and for arg for CGS unit. These things are known to you, I know. So since this is the ratio of the same two units, that means it becomes unitless or dimensionless. Okay. So now I have already discussed the actual meaning of atomic weight, and this number means you will find the use of this number in case of stoichiometry, in case of chemical reactions, means in case of chemical calculations, the atomic weight, this number is required. Okay, and for example, I have taken chlorine as the example to make you understand in a better way. So I have already mentioned that percentage of abundance of chlorine 35 is 75.77% and chlorine 37 is 24.23%. And if you use the periodic table, then you will find that for chlorine 35, the atomic weight is 35.453 atomic mass unit, and for chlorine 37 it is 37.453. Then what is the atomic number of? What is the atomic number of atomic weight of chlorine? Then that is equal to, you take this percentage, okay, and you take this atomic weight. So this is 35.453. So 35.453 into this percentage divided by 100 plus this 37.453 into 24.23 divided by 100. Now add these two. You will get the result 35.9697. Okay, and if you take only one decimal place, okay, means if you round off to one decimal place, then it will become 35.5. And you know that we, for the chemical calculations for chlorine, we use always 35.5 as the atomic weight of chlorine. Okay, everything you can see on the screen. Okay, this board is not clearly visible to my camera. Anyway, so this was all about what? This was all about atomic weight. Okay. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.